Instantly fix that frustrating ASUS Zenfone OEM Unlock toggle missing issue right now. Many users face this exact problem, preventing crucial device modifications. We're diving straight into the solutions. First, ensure your developer options are truly active. Navigate to your settings, find About Phone, and repeatedly tap the build number until you see the confirmation. This often re-enables the entire menu, making the OEM Unlock option reappear, because sometimes the system simply deactivates it without warning. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system software, which brings us to method 2. Outdated firmware can hide options, so head to System Updates in your settings. Download and install any pending updates. A fresh system often restores missing toggles by refreshing the entire software stack. Still no luck? Method 3 focuses on clearing the settings app cache. Corrupted temporary data can cause menu glitches. Go to Apps and Notifications, find Settings, then search Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. This resets the app's temporary files, often resolving display errors. Finally, if all else fails, a factory reset is your ultimate workaround. Back up everything, then go to System, Reset Options, and erase all data. This completely refreshes your ASUS Zenfone, ensuring the OEM Unlock toggle is accessible once you re-enable developer options post-setup. Don't let a missing toggle